Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on your school Chromebook. School Chromebooks are designed for learning, often blocking direct game installations and limiting software access. The only reliable way to enjoy Roblox is through a cloud gaming service. This method streams the game directly to your browser, completely bypassing the need for local installation and overcoming many common school network restrictions. It's a clever workaround to access your favorite games. To get started, you'll need to choose a suitable cloud gaming service. Popular options include platforms like Boosteroid or Now, GG, which are known to support Roblox. It's crucial to research their features, check for any subscription costs, and see if they offer a free trial period. Most importantly, verify that the chosen service is not blocked by your school's network filters, as some educational institutions restrict access to gaming sites. Once you've selected a service, the next step is to set up your account. This usually involves a quick registration process on the cloud gaming platform's website. You might need to link your existing Roblox account to the service or create a new one if you don't have one already. After successful setup, you can simply navigate to the service's web interface, launch Roblox, and begin playing directly within your Chromebook's browser. For the best possible gaming experience, a stable and high-speed internet connection is absolutely essential. Cloud gaming relies heavily on your network, so a strong Wi-Fi signal will minimize lag and improve responsiveness. Additionally, close any unnecessary browser tabs or applications running in the background on your Chromebook to free up valuable system resources. You can also adjust Roblox's in-game graphics settings to a lower quality for smoother, more consistent gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.